Hi everyone, here's Maria Carmen. Today I'll help you to connect your Catalyst Voting app to your wallet. So you just go to Google App Store, looking for Catalyst Voting app. So just take a look in the logo and the name of IOHK to make sure you are downloading the right thing. Here I have some warnings to you. For voting, you need to have at least 500 ADAs. It's not accounting your rewards, okay? There is a fee for registration that's between 0.17 to 0.18 ADAs. And who was registered in Fund 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 can vote for Fund 10 but will not get rewards. And who registered for Fund 1, 2, 3 only will not be able to vote or get rewards in Fund 10 voting. The snapshot will be taken on 18th of August, 9 o'clock UTC time. So just install, open the app. There is some information, I will skip. So now I'm setting up some notifications. And here I'm inside the app, but it's not connected to the wallet. As you can see this blue color, but there is some information, 7 days left for registration, and also the right time and right date for the snapshot. So I'll go to the next step. I'll use QR code and PIN. Here I'm allowing the Catalyst Voting app to take picture, record the video while using the app. So here is where you're going to scan the QR code you're going to receive from your wallet. So now we go to your wallet. Could be Nami, Gero, Typhoon, Yoroi, Daedalus, Adalite, and Eternal. And here is giving some more information, confirm the date of the snapshot, when voting starts, when voting ends, and when we get the results for Fund 10. Just go next. I start this tutorial, download the app, but if you start inside your wallet, here is where you can scan the code and get the app into your phone. I just go next. And here you're gonna type PIN. You need to keep this PIN safe because you're gonna need it later on. So I'm just gonna type and then confirm. So in the next screen, so here is just a warning, make sure you have the 500 ADAs at the snapshot, otherwise your registration will be dismissed. Go to registered, and then your wallet will open up, and then you sign the transaction with your password or your hot wallet. Now you go back to the app, and now you type in the code that you put in your wallet. That's it. Your wallet is connected to the voting app. What you need to wait for the snapshot to occur, so you're gonna get your voting power. I will do a follow-up in video, show how to vote, because a lot of people come into the community, they don't know. Please like and share. A lot of people need to know how to vote because they are new to Cardano. See you soon. Bye-bye.